Hey, Pete Staggy here from B2B Clarity. Marketing technology is amazing. It has transformed the world of B2B business like maybe nothing else in the last decade. But it is a business, and the marketing industrial complex is made up of thousands, literally thousands of companies and vendors and apps and databases that are actively making the case to businesses like yours that you have to have this tool. Well, the problem is you can only do so much, and you need to find a way to choose the right technology for your business without becoming overwhelmed. So, here's a few tips to help you do just that. First, technology, remember, it's a means to an end, and you need to first get grounded and make sure you understand your company's purpose, what you're trying to accomplish, who you're targeting, who you can help, and who's your team. How mature are they from a marketing standpoint? How much are you investing in marketing on an annual basis in time and money and people? Those things will a really important thing to be clear on before you have any conversations or thoughts on what technology can do for your business. So once you're grounded on your place and what you're trying to accomplish, then you're still not ready for tactics. And technology, even though some of it is part of a strategy, at the end of the day, they are all tactics. So, first, before you get to the technology, you need to understand how marketing can and can't help your business achieve its goals. I like to do that by looking at the customer journey, the experience that your customers are going through from the very beginning to the very end after, long time customer, and look for how marketing at each stage, look what you need the customers to experience and what marketing's role could be for that. That will also help you understand the biggest priorities for you, right? Because you'll see the biggest gaps. At what point do you really need to invest time to improve? Okay, once you've done that, you're ready to look at your technology and make some choices. So, you know, armed with that understanding of your business and what you need marketing to do, the job marketing needs to do for your business, you will be much more better equipped to judge the right technology, to create requirements for what you need it to do, and to understand how the different pieces of technology would fit together. But it's still pretty easy to get overwhelmed because, as you know, a lot of the technology is free or easy to start for almost no effort at all. So you need to be careful not to get too invested with too many things. A tool I've used that's been really helpful is borrowing from the agile terminology, create minimum viable programs with your new technology. What that means is if you have a new platform, start by using it as the least it can do for you. So start with the least it can do and almost manually give it a shot. It's a pilot, if you will. It may mean you need to use some spreadsheets for part of it, or do some things manually that you would normally automate. You want to do this because a product demo or a spec sheet can only take you so far, and there's nothing better than actually trying things out. Keeps your risk down. It keeps you from being overwhelmed by evaluations and setups that may not work out for you. And then you iterate and you learn and you grow over time, and you can add scale and invest, because that's the other great thing about marketing technology is a lot of it scales so efficiently and easily. The right technology can give you a sustainable competitive advantage. The wrong technology can just get in your way. Despite what your vendors may be telling you, you have the power to choose the right technology. You don't have to do it just like everybody else. And it's possible that by being uniquely thoughtful about the technology you employ, that itself could give you a competitive advantage as you use the technology to help yourself and don't get weighed down by it. I hope this was valuable for you, and I'd love to chat more. If you want to reach out to me, you can find me on LinkedIn or on my website.